So, yes, that's what we said before you arrived, Jeff. Right, give me the exam. I gave it to you last week. Okay, thank you. If you showed up to class, you would have it, or if you remembered to come.
What?
Can you take out this exam I gave you last week?
Yes.
So I only gave you one last week. It says version 20809.
Wait, so let me read it.
How should you remember such vital information?
I will do
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I will do number 3 and 5. Come on, Hussein. Okay, 3 and 5. Look, I'm not going to write the question down here anyways, okay, Joseph? Shh. Okay. So the first thing is, well, they want you to calculate this basically, and they say to use integration by parts. So what you do to begin with is change this into 9x plus 2, and I would change this into 3x minus 5 power
Negative
minus half. Yep. And then this is the f and f derivative, and the g derivative. So the f is 9x plus 2, the f derivative is 9, the g derivative is 3x minus a 5 power minus a half, and the g is the antiderivative. And the quick way to do this is you divide by the inside derivative and you divide by the new power. So if I add 1 to the power, what do I get? A half. So if I divide by a half, that's the same as
2.
Multiplying by 2. And I also have to divide by 3. So you actually get 2 over 3, 3x minus 5 power half. And if you want,
why 3 again?
So we just multiply by 2.
inside derivative.
Inside derivative
but
is
look,
3.
Yes. Divide by the inside derivative. Now, if you want to do it the long way, you can use substitution. Let u equal to that. We'll do it the quick way. So the rule is, it's equal to f g minus f derivative, which is 9, times g as well. Okay, so we can see here, what do we get? 2/3 9x plus 2, and if you want, this is actually square root. 3 into that 3 times, so it's actually minus 6. And now the antiderivative here, I can use the same trick. I increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, or that's the same as multiplying by 2 over 3, and divide by the inside derivative as well, and 3x minus 5.
So we always should divide by inside derivative?
Yeah.
It's a rule?
It's a trick. It's a short way to do it. The long way to do it is to let u equal to 3x minus 5. So I get now 2 over 3, 9x plus 2, 3x minus 5, a half. This will be 4 over 3, and then, sorry, I'm running out of space, 3x minus 5, and the power here is 3 over 2. If you can see that there. And then I can put in the 2 limits, which here are 3 and 2. So someone give me the calculator. No, give me a nice one. I like the Casio 991.
I lost the...
Is it compared like an audio with a game?
Yes, it's like this. Pass it. Thank you, Albert. Thank you.
Oh, it's not done now.
Let me see what the question.
Nine. Okay. So when you put it into the calculator, out you get is exactly 16. 3 and 2 need to go into this, so 3. Sorry, I'm totally out of space here, but there's a 3 and a 2 going into this. Oh, lines are down, yeah. Okay, that was 3A.
Sir, can you go let me copy?
No. You have nothing there in front of you.
Yeah, because you were going, I cannot, I had to see.
This guy here has more than you, and
Yeah.
he's also sitting in the front.
No. Yeah? Okay.
That's what you have, and that's what he has.
Okay, I had to concentrate on this, that's why.
It's recording too.
Oh, come on, sir, it's just one step.
Go, quick, go on. Write what you need to. You have until I drink some of my milk.
Oh my god, sir,
Go
please.
up there.
Okay, good.
Okay, yeah.
Go down.
Just give me 1 minute to finish it.
What's wrong?
Chemistry's at 28, yeah?
29, 30.
What's that 30?
Yeah, chemistry exam.
The exam?
Yeah.
Oh, the date. Okay.
But we have a mock exam
Next week.
yeah, on Tuesday.
For what? Yeah.
Chemistry mock exam, 3 hours.
Practice exam.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, come down a little bit. Okay, here. Easy.
Are you writing this down, Jeff? Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you write it all down?
I did it.
Huh? You did it already?
Did you last week?
You did this one last week. Good job, bro. In class?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Like the boss.
Alright. I'm sorry, Mohammed, I'm not waiting any longer, so I'm going on to the next one.
Shit.
You'll have to copy it from someone, okay? So, so embarrassing for you right now, Mohammed.
Indeed.
What is this? 3x
No,
minus 3 or minus 5?
no. Let me continue. Okay,
Sir, come on. What is this? Okay.
this is Joseph.
Exactly.
That's what this is.
That's what's up.
Okay. You want to write this as your partial fraction, as your 3. A over x minus 1 plus b over x squared plus 4 plus c, sorry, that's bx, over c over x squared plus 4. So, therefore, 5x squared minus 7x plus 17 equals, so when you multiply through,
Sir, are you sure that's BX?
yes,
Yes.
a x squared plus 4 plus bx times x minus 1 plus c times x minus 1. Okay, that's them all there. So I think I should make x equal to 1 first. And I will get 5 minus 7 is minus 2 plus 17 is 15 equal to 5a. So a is equal to 3. Next, I think I'll put x equal to 0.
Oh, you're going a different way?
Oh, this is the way I showed you.
Why did you make X 1?
To cancel these. So x is 0 now. So 4a is 12. That's gone, and that's minus c. So I get 5, isn't it? For c? Minus 5. Okay. And then lastly, I'll just put x as any number really will do. Let's put minus 1. So I get 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 17 is 29, equals 5, 12, and then minus 2 times minus 1 is 2, 2 times b, oh I don't know b, sorry, so 2 times b, and then minus 1 minus 1 minus 2c, so plus 10. So that's 22, 22, 9, 7. No, I must have done something wrong here. I got b is 3.5. Let's double check.
B is 2 actually.
Did I do so? Sorry, 22. 29 minus 22 is 7 over 2 is 3.5. So I must have done something wrong here. Let me double check. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 17 is 29. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5. Oh, sorry, this is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay. So I get 2b is 4. So b is 2? Okay. That is an easy 4 marks, I think. Like, that's 4 marks on the screen.
How do you write 15 is equal to 5a?
X equal to 1. Wake up, dudes. It's all here.
So these are random numbers?
Yeah. Well, I picked them to make it easy for things to cancel. Okay. Next part. Next. Hey, just make note of these numbers. I'll need them for the next part. Okay. So next he wants us to integrate this fraction. But that's the same as integrating the 3 individual ones. So integrating the big fraction, that's the same as the 3 individual ones. So the first one, what's a?
3.
So it's 3 over x minus 1. And then what's b? 2. Okay. So plus 2x over x squared plus 4 dx. And then the last one, c? Minus 5 over x squared plus 4 dx. So he asks us to calculate this big integration, but that's equal to 3 small ones. Okay? So substitution in each will do it. So I don't mix up my letters, maybe I'll use a UV and a W. So in the first one, what do you think you should let U equal to?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. And here, V equals, yeah, x squared plus 4. And here, W equal, now here's the tricky one, okay? It's actually x over 2. And where I got the 2 from, yeah, I'm trying to make a tan inverse, and what I'm doing is,
How you got x over 2?
Literally, Mohammed, I'm in the middle of explaining this.
Oh, okay.
What I did was, I took the 4, took its square root, and put it under the x. Now, in a moment, you'll see why that helps me, okay? But for now, what I did was I looked at this and put its square root underneath the x. And the reason I'm doing that is because this will make this turn into my tan inverse, which I'll want. But anyways, firstly I need my du dx. So here, what does du dx equal?
1.
Yeah, du dx equals 1, so du equals dx. Du dx equals 1, yeah? Here, what does dv equal?
2x.
2x dx. And then here, what does dw equal? A half dx. So I can bring the 2 up here. And I should bring the 2x down here. So v over 2x equals that. Okay. So going back to my question, this becomes 3 over u du plus, now what happens here? Who can tell me what happens here? What do I get? Well, I have 2x on the top, right? But what do I have on the bottom? Come on, wake up, please. What's on the bottom here? V. And then what goes here? dv over 2x. I'll scroll down, sorry. 2x. But what happens to 2x's?
Cancel.
They cancel. Alright. Now the last one is a bit tricky. 5. Now what's dx? It's 2 dw. And on the bottom, I have, look here please, on the bottom I have x squared plus 4. What is x? Bring the 2 up. What's x? 2w. So what's x squared? 4w squared plus 4. Now you can see why I put the 2 here. It's so that I can make a 4 and a 4. And then what can I take out? I can take out the 4. So that was the trick. It makes it simpler for you. So here you get 3 1 over u du plus 1 over v dv minus 10 over 4 1 over w squared plus 1 dw. Well, what's 10 over 4? 5 over 2. Okay, let's integrate. 3 log u plus log v minus, sorry, what was this?
Sir, how you turn the 4 to plus 1?
I took the 4 outside.
Both of them.
Yes. And this here, who knows what formula this one is? It is tan inverse w. Now, because it's a log, I'll simplify. What can I do with this 3?
Cancel.
To power. I'm worried people aren't awake here. Look. Hey, look.